guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sparkle Monet. Hey, so today guys, I'm giving you this fall bronzy glam look today. I have put out a trailer for this look. If you have not seen that trailer yet, you better go check it out. The link for that will be down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. It's bomb. What you doing? Go check that trailer out. Go check it out. Before we jump into this video, make sure that you all go ahead and like, share, comment, and subscribe. Make sure that you also turn on that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. But if you want to go ahead and learn how I achieve this look today, make sure that you all stay tuned. So we've already done this side off camera, so now we're going to go ahead and work on this side. We have already done the eyebrows. We've done that with the Fenty Beauty Brow MVP in the shade Dark Brown. And we've already concealed the lid using the Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer, and this is in the shade More Beige. So now we're going to go ahead and work on the eyes. And we're going to go in with the James Charles and Morphe Collab palette. First shade we're going to go in is with this pretty orange shade. So, funny story. I thought this shade right here was called Sis. I cannot see. This shade is called 518. 518, not Sis. It looks like it should be called Sis, but it's called 518. So we're going to go ahead and blend this color right in the crease. Using the Morphe M503 brush. We're just going to go ahead and pat this into the crease area. Patting it into it. We're going to go from the inner corner, working our way towards the middle and to the outer V. So now that we have it placed in the area we want to, I'm just going to go ahead and buff it out with that same brush. And we're going to be brushing that in circular small strokes going upwards. And I'm going to do that all the way around. So now we're going to go on with this pretty shade right here. This is in the shade called 10% Off. Something that I definitely got for Black Friday a little bit more. So we're going to go in with the Morphe M506 brush. And we're just going to go ahead and place that right underneath this orange shade. And we're also going to do this in patting motions and placing it into the areas that we want it to be in. Alright, now that we have those in the spots that we want that to be in, we're going to go back in with that Morphe M503 brush. And with that first shade, 518, not Sis, we're going to go ahead and blend that shade out. And we're also using, small circular motions when blending this out. And now I'm going to go on with the shade Boutique right here. And I'm going to be going with the Morphe M166 brush and placing this all over the lid. Now going back in with the Morphe M506 brush, going back in with that shade 10% Off just to blend out the shade Boutique. And then we're going to go back in with that Morphe M503 brush with 518 to blend the rest out. So now I'm going to go in with the Morphe M124 brush, going in with this shade right here called Halloween. Funny story, that's my birthday. Yay! So guys, I was supposed to have tried to have a video up before my birthday, but I was being hard-headed and not wanting to get this microphone, but it's okay. We have it now. And now we're gonna go ahead and go in with the Too Faced Pretty Rich palette. And I'm gonna go in with this Pretty Gold right here. And this is in Fluent and Diamonds. And I'm gonna go in with another Morphe M124 brush. Taking that and placing that on the lid. Just in the center. So now I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Liner and doing this out. So now I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Warm Beige to clean up this wing. We're going to go in using a Morphe M224 brush to clean that up. I'm just going to take a little bit on the tip. So now we're going to go and prep the face using the Ole Hendrix C Rush Brightening Gel Cream. I am extremely dry. Now we're going to go ahead and go under the eyes using the Ole Hendrix Banana Eye Brightening Cream. Taking a small amount here and here. Now we're going to go ahead and prime the face using the Maybelline Master Primer. So now that our face is primed and set and ready to go, we're going to go ahead and move into foundation. So for today, I'm going to go ahead and use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I am in the shade Sand. I am going to dot this all over my face. And we're going to go ahead and take the Morphe M439 brush and just pat that all over this. So we're going to go on with concealer and prime under the eyes, nose, and forehead. So I'm going to go ahead and take a good amount under each eye, and we're going to let that sit. So while we let that sit, we're going to go ahead and place the primer throughout the rest of the face. On the forehead, underneath the nose, and on the chin. So now we're going to go ahead and blend those out using our sponge. I'm going to go ahead and let this sit under the eye just for a little bit longer, just so we can let that dry down just a bit. So that should be dried down a bit. So let's go ahead and blend that out using our sponge. The computer just cried. We're going to go ahead and set the face with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Just bought her, so let's go ahead and get her. So we're going to set under the eyes using this brush here. I'm so sorry, guys. I do not know the name of this brush. This brush is a very old brush. It's unbranded. Unfortunately, I don't I couldn't tell you, but it's really, really soft. And I like to pack this in underneath the eyes. Oh, I love how this powder just sits under my skin. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love how it sits under my face. Oh my gosh. I've missed this powder so much. I've been using this other powder and it's been driving me completely insane. And I'm so much happier now. Now let's go ahead and set the rest of the face. The chin. And just the forehead. So now we're going to go back to bronzing the skin. So guys, since it is December 1st, I am challenging myself to lose weight. And I want to also give like updates and do things more on my channel regarding, you know, like my weight loss and my goals that I'm trying to achieve. Now we have lashes on. So now we're going to go back in with the Morphe palette in that shade 10% off, using the Morphe M456 brush and taking this underneath the lower lash line. So now we're going to go on with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara to coat the upper and lower lashes. So we're going to go on with the Maybelline Rustic Terracotta liner, and we're going to put this in the waterline. So now we're going to go ahead and highlight the face using the Fenty Beauty highlighter, and this is in the shade Hustler Baby. I'm going to take that down the bridge of the nose. We're also going to go on with the Morphe M431 brush to highlight the inner corner. So now I'm going to go ahead and line my lips using the e.l.f. Jumbo Lipstick. And because my lips were already like moisturized, it pretty much did what I wanted it to do anyways. And so now we're just going to go ahead and set the face. And we're going to go and set the face using the Morphe Settings Mist. So guys, this is the final look. I hope that you all have enjoyed this look with me today. If you haven't already checked out the trailer for this look, make sure that you go ahead and check that out. The link for that will be down in the description box below. But if you all have loved this look with me, make sure that you go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.